My name's Keven Gambold. I am, by name only, the Chief Executive Officer of Unmanned Experts, Inc. A little bit about me. I was a British Royal Air Force Tornado pilot for about 20 years. Dream job. And then I was given the opportunity to come and work with the US Air Force flying Predator drones over Iraq and Afghanistan. I spent a bit of time out there, which was incredible. I mean, it really just caught my imagination how game-changing these sort of technologies work. The benefit of marrying a wonderful young lady who is still in the US Air Force, and it became rapidly abundant. She was far more successful in her career than I was, so I resigned, or retired actually after 20 odd years, and have been, for the most part, a stay-at-home dad to three wonderful, chaotic children. As that retirement process happened, I started a consultancy called Unmanned Experts LLC, consulting on drone type things, especially around the predator size stuff. Had some success and it started to grow a little bit. We got our first employee. It was all very exciting stuff. He's still with the company, believe it or not. And so over the last 12 years, we've grown. We've had some troubles. We've shrunk again, and now we're on the rebound.